DJI Goggles 3 Real View. DJI Goggles 3 are equipped with binocular cameras in order for users to view the surrounding environment without removing the goggles. Tap twice firmly on the right side of the goggles, or press twice on the dial of the motion controller to enter Real View. Perform the same action again to exit and return to the Flight Live view. Enter the goggles menu, select Settings, Display, and then Real View can be set to 2D or 3D. 3D will bring a more immersive three-dimensional Real View. Select based on personal preference. Real View PIP. When the goggles are used with the aircraft, 2D Real View supports displaying the real-time Flight Live view. Enter the goggles menu, select Settings, Display, and then enable Real View PIP. After entering the Real View, the Flight Live view will be displayed in the upper left corner of the Real View. Both the surrounding environment and the aircraft video transmission will be displayed on the goggle screen simultaneously. Thank you for watching.